Yo, YouTube world, it's Chad, Powers BMX Shop, front of the shop again, ramps. Just finished up another cool build right here. Shoo! This is a S&M Rambler frame, 21 1/4 inch top tube in root beer color. Customer had a little budget, but we got it done for him, and I think it came out sick. So this was our last set of these shadow wheels that were on sale for really cheap, and whoever didn't get them missed out, but we were able to keep this dude's build under budget with those wheels. We did Kink foundation forks, cinema headset, credence stem. We got the Verde 9-inch bars on here in chrome. Credence grips, those are nice. Odyssey medium mono lever, Odyssey brake cable. Evo brakes on the back. So I thought it would look sick. He kind of gave me free reign to do this as long as we kept it under his budget. So all black, chrome bars, chrome brakes, give it a little bit of pop. I think it came out freaking sick. This is just like a We the People mid seat, GT seat post, GT cranks. Both of those things are on, all three of those things are on sale still. He wanted these, the nice Alienation foot fetish pedals. So we got those on there. Sunday Sabertooth sprocket, Shadow halfling chain. We got the flat out tires. Whoop, forgot valve caps. Did I do it on the front? Yup. Guess I gotta throw those on real quick. But yeah, so these were like the shadow symbol wheels with truss rims. And then we wrapped them. We did a Merritt Brian Foster tire on front, Relic flat out tire in the back. I think it's 2.1, 2.3. And you'll see this bike very, very soon around Richmond. Local dude, getting back into riding. Stoked to be able to help him out. This thing came out sick. Can't wait to see him take it off some jumps back there.